There it is. Little breath in, hold it out. There it went.
Yeah.
Okay, today I'm here with Jennifer, and she's been with me for relatively new patient though.
Yeah, only a few months.
Only a few months.
Mm-hmm.
And you started because you had, what brought you in?
It was partly the nutrition, but also the chiropractics. I figured we could one package at the same location, the same doctor, and see what you had to offer.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it was chiropractic and nutrition both.
Yes.
You wanted nutrition, I remember that one.
Yep.
And then in conversation, you've been using chiropractic for a long time.
Yep, about 30 years.
About 30 years.
Mm-hmm.
And what brought you in? Obviously, parents probably got you started first. So what was your first reason for seeing chiropractic?
We were actually in a car accident. We were stopped at the traffic light and the person behind us went.
Mm-hmm.
So not even like a huge jarring, but my head whipped back and I had to get a whiplash from it. I had to be in a neck brace for a while.
Wow.
And so I was going to chiropractic ever since.
And it's helped you a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Now, you had a really unique situation occur when I first worked on you. Tell us about that one.
Yeah, the very first appointment when I came in, obviously a lot of chiropractors do kind of the same type of things, but not all the same. And you did have some different approaches that I had not had in previous ones before. But I've had curvature of the spine, some call adult scoliosis, various things. But my curve was pretty drastic. And after the first adjustment, that night into the next morning, it was literally almost straight.
Wow.
And I haven't had that in years.
So that's a nice change.
Oh, huge.
Great.
I mean, even just for the pain factor, but the discomfort. And, you know, you're summertime, you don't want to go out looking like you're all curved and stuff. So it was a nice benefit for that too.
Well, technology beats itself for that too, with all the computers and sitting, which is, many patients know we don't see trauma anymore. We see repetitive ergonomic problems from, slouching in technology.
Which is also, I went to a stand-up desk years ago because the sitting down, you get that hunched over all the time. So it's like you're standing up all day, you feel a better posture about you.
Which does matter. It has an effect on the body.
Yeah.
So I'm glad it's changed. Now, we've had a few visits on nutrition. Have you noticed any change? How has that changed for you? I mean, it's kind of early in the game. But.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of it's mostly like the calming down. Like I had massive stomach bloat before, a lot of issues from food that I would eat, just overall just not feeling good. And a lot of that has gotten better. I can't say that I'm like 100% yet. Obviously, it's been a few months.
Sure.
But I mean, my digestion has changed tremendously just in a few months.
That's nice. You got some measurable changes for yourself.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Well, healing and nutrition is an ongoing process until the body's where it needs to be. But clearly, a good diet, good food choices, nutrition to fill in the farming problems we have in this country, and the body starts to change.
Right.
Well, let's do a wellness check.
Okay.
I mean, we're kind of balancing the body.
Yep.
So what we'll do is we're going to switch tables. We'll switch over the table, have a seat, we'll assess everything, and then we'll get you cleared up and see how you're doing.
Wonderful.
Okay. All right. So let's assess. Is there anything specifically hurting right now that's just like on your mind that's bothering you?
Right around the lower base of my neck and down into here.
Okay. Is it on the right side or right kind of in the center?
Right in the center.
Right in the center.
Yep.
Any trigger points in there?
Yep.
You can feel that?
Oh, yeah.
All right. We'll clear all that out. How are the shoulders start feeling?
A little tight, but mostly fine.
Mostly fine?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's assess the strength of the arms as we always do. Hold tight for me here. Don't let me push the arm down. Stronger, but still weak. Hold tight for me. Now this one's getting some better strength to it. Hold tight for me. It's not as weak. It's still weak, but at least it's not sloppy like when we first started. Hold tight for me. I'm going to push straight down. We're going to do our biceps. Weak. And you work out too.
I do.
So we need to understand that, you're a weightlifter. Hold tight. And I can still get this stuff to move.
Yeah.
So let's bring the arm back up here. Bring it down. Stabilize. Once again, you're going to push up with the arm here.
Okay.
Push as hard as you can. And I can, that's really soft. Hold. Okay, and let's go this one. Push as hard as you can.
Okay.
And that's pretty weak. Let's check the grip strength here. I like to see if those fingers are locking in.
Okay.
Hold really tight for me. Not bad. Look down towards the floor. Let's pull on that spinal cord. They're a little soft. Let's do this one. They're strong. I got tone in them. Hold tight.
Sorry.
There it is right there. Strong as you can. See that one?
Yep.
There's nothing
No.
on that. Let's bring the knee up.
Okay.
Push as hard as you can. Don't let me push the leg down. Let's try this one. Push it down. Pretty weak. let's do the feet, push up, hold tight. Push up.
Up in there.
Push up.
That's where I work out.
That's why you work out, you still don't got it. Let's bring the foot in this way, hold
Okay.
for me there. I can still turn that one in. Hold tight. Alright, we'll play around with those.
Okay.
Let's go face down here. Let's start loosening you up and getting the body relaxed.
Okay.
And actually, while you're doing that, I'm going to check one more muscle group here. Block this knee. We're going to lift the whole leg in the air all the way up. Hold it right there. Hold tight. Let's try that again. I'll let you put all the power in it you want to, and there's nothing there. Bring this one up, and there's nothing there. Alright, can you tender in the glutes here?
Well, oh, yeah.
Right there?
Oh, sure is.
Oh yeah, let's work on that. Alright, now, let me bring this up a little bit. Make some corrections here. There we go. Alright, I'm going to start doing some muscle work in here.
Okay.
I'm going to check right in here too. Any tendons right there?
Well, that's not as much as lower.
But more in the.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's work on that. Here we go. Turn it down a little bit. I'm going to show what to do. Is that an okay pressure?
Yep.
How does this side feel compared?
That was bad.
This side definitely more.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
How about this muscle group here?
Yep.
Tender?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at this muscle group, how's that one doing?
Not too bad.
This one?
Good.
Good?
Yep.
You okay over here?
Yep.
We're going to go up the body here. Let your body relax here.
Okay. Yeah, one side was sore.
Right in here?
No, right side.
Yeah. I might have to do a little stretching in there too.
Okay.
Get the trigger points out of there.
Alright.
How bad on a scale of 1 to 10 are you feeling that? 10 is the worst.
Probably at least 8.
Yeah, alright. Let's see how it feels when we're done.
Okay.
You may have to do some taping of that hip and
Okay.
the lateral lines here. Take a little breath for me. Just kind of unloosen. Loosen up some of this stuff. Take a little breath for me. All the way out. Wow. You're doing good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it feels good.
Let me drop this down. Any tenderness in there?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna check this first rib.
Okay.
Float. It's kind of relax your body. You're gonna feel a little pull here. There we go. That moved really good.
Yeah, it did.
And then I'm gonna check it over here. Bring the head around. Wow.
Oh, good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
You see a lot of tension in the shoulders with the computers.
Yeah.
People really carry it right up top.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we slouch, we activate all these muscles in the neck and just pulls in this area.
Yeah.
I'm gonna balance these out too. Both of these are really weak, so I'm just gonna kind of loosen them up. Let's lock this knee and lift the leg up in the air again. Hold tight. Better?
Yep.
Bring it up. Hold. No, I have a problem still right here. Now remember, this is really tender here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So,
Goodness.
right there. How are you doing there?
Yeah.
Is that tender?
A little bit.
All right, I'm gonna do some more muscle work, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna roll this up a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do some tissue work here.
Okay.
Okay, let me get my tools.
Okay.
And we'll do a little scraping. I'm gonna put some rock sauce on there too to heat this up a little bit.
Okay.
Not a lot, just enough. But just be careful. Remember, this stuff can be spicy on the eyes.
Okay.
So don't be rubbing your back. You'll be calling me angry. What did you do to my eyes?
Exactly.
You're gonna be okay though.
Okay.
Of course, look at me rubbing you with my fingers.
Right. Don't touch your eyes.
Yeah, don't touch your own eyes, right? It's like,
Well, technically, we're not supposed to be down anyways.
Yeah, well, yeah. In the age of coronavirus, you're not supposed to touch your face at all.
Exactly.
All right, let me get some stuff here.
Okay.
Actually, I want to open this a little bit, put a little stretch in that muscle, just a little bit.
Okay.
You okay there? I don't want to go too
Yep.
hard.
No, you're fine.
Just want to make sure the tissue is gliding.
Okay.
Right there, feel that?
Yep.
That
Yeah.
crunchy stuff.
Yeah. What is that? Is that muscle or?
Yeah, big old knots in there. I'm not going to go too hard with it.
Okay.
I'm going to break it up a little bit. But
Okay.
it's you working out too hard.
I do sometimes.
It's okay.
Not as much now with the gyms being closed, but.
Got to work out. Longevity in women is, and this is really important for women, is bone density and muscle density are two major markers for women longevity. So
Yeah.
that's smoothing out a little bit better. So you keep working out, eat well, take care of your body.
Yep. Trying.
Longer quality of life. Goes for men too, but they don't listen.
No, not generally.
I get it. Yeah. How's that feeling?
A lot better.
Yeah. It's a little softer now.
Is that?
Still got a little bit of gristle feeling, knots in there, but I'm going to work on this for a second.
Okay.
You handling that okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Not bad. Right there.
Yeah.
Just kind of work it out.
Okay. If
this is the only thing that plagues you in life, you're going to go well. There's nothing to worry about.
Exactly. Yeah, I've definitely had plenty of times of working out where muscles have been really sore, but can always tell when it's more of a gotta go and see a chiropractor.
So you can feel that warming up a little bit?
Yes, I can.
Good. All right. All right, now I'm going to do some more here. I'm going to bring this leg up a little bit.
Okay.
Hold that leg right there for me and
Okay.
hold tight. Don't let me push it down. It's getting some tone back. Let's see if we can fine tune it a little bit there and get some more power. It's almost back to normal strength.
Good.
That's your body. Somebody sense that one real quick.
Okay.
Bring this up. Hold tight. I think that's holding.
Yep.
All right. Let me make that correction on that one.
Okay.
All right, bring this up for me.
Okay.
Hold tight. That's better.
Yep.
Hold tight. That's getting better. I like it. You have to fine tune on the other side too.
Okay.
I'm gonna check right here. Take a little breath for me, and then hold it all the way out. Yeah, that's all you're gonna give me. There's a little baby.
Okay.
All right, flip over for me.
Okay.
On your back.
Okay.
All right, let's see how this neck is feeling. I'm gonna bring this to tension. And here we go. Little breath in. All the way out, just let it flow. No, a little bit.
Yep.
There it is. Little breath in. All the way out. There it went.
Oh, it's way too much.
I'm gonna have you just gently tuck your chin to chest, just like that. And then just pull that muscle. Good, let it rest. And back down. And then tuck in down a little more. You should feel a little bit of pull.
Mm-hmm.
Good, let it rest. And just one more time, very slowly, just pull it in. And I'm just holding the muscle a little bit, let it rest. Good. You can feel it in there.
Yeah. It's coming a little bit behind into here even.
Yeah. Turn the head this way. Just gonna stretch that out a little bit. Does it feel like it's stretching a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't want to go too long on these muscles, but just a little bit of stretch can
Yeah, I can feel it loosen up.
help that out a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's go this side. The longer we spend on computers, technology, the more this next just start paying the price.
Yeah.
How's that stretch? Just
Yeah, it's tight right there.
on the top here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
I think we're going to need another adjustment.
Okay.
We're going to traction that out a little bit. Clear that muscle out of there. Yeah. I'm going to have you hold C5, C6. What I like this technique was a little more stability. Take a deep breath in, let the air all the way out. Bring attention.
Oh yeah.
You feel it go?
Oh yeah. That felt good.
Good. Now let's just feel this.
Mm-hmm.
How's that feeling?
Oh,
now?
so much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Now, I'm going to bring these back here. Just going to see what I got to work on. Hold tight for me here. So here's L3, set her down. Hold tight. Just get a baseline again so I know what I'm going to work on real quick.
Yep.
Hold the leg right there. I'm going to pull out. And there's no tone on that muscle group either. Just bring it in, hold tight for me. Set them down. We're going to check the adductors.
Okay.
Feet together. Squeeze really tight. Don't let me open the legs. Try again. No tone. Hold them wide open. Hold tight. Don't let me push them together.
Okay.
I think I can lock those too. All right, let's balance this out and get some power in the lower extremities.
Okay.
Hold here. As you know, we always do muscle testing this way. We always verify with the nerve root test in the end. Hold tight. And look at that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to have you hold here for me, Cass. Is that tender of a touch? I can feel the rotation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your face is like, don't do it.
Yep. I feel awesome.
Feels awesome, doesn't it?
So good.
All right, here we go. Take a deep breath in. Up there, all the way out. Here it is. Oh.
Oh yeah, that moved.
Wow. All right, let's see if the power came on here real quick. Hold tight. How's that?
So much better.
How's that?
So much better.
It's just like that. It's
That's amazing.
just like a light switch to an off.
Exactly.
Squeeze really tight. That's holding 2. Legs out, hold tight. Better.
Yep.
Down. Let's check the feet. Hold tight. Still got a problem right here. There's not even any pressure from sitting and it's still weak. I want to see something here. Let me have this arm.
Okay.
Should do a little check here. That one's strong. That one goes weak. So both are weak. So I'm going to block this hip. I'm going to have my Cassie here. Let's do L5 and the hip here. We're going to do this, and then we're going to do the other one as well.
Okay.
We'll do both of them. Deep breath in, all the way out. There's that one.
That was pretty. That was a good one. That was.
I'm going to lower this just a little bit for me. Okay, now, we're also going to do,
The other side?
yeah, we're going to do L5. Right there is what I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Is that tender touch?
Yep.
Yeah. Block that one too.
Do you want this hip over here?
No.
No.
I just want to move this. The hip is. Okay, here we go. Deep breath in. All out. Whoa. That moved a lot.
Yeah.
Bring this over here. Let's just see if we got some power back on those feet. So
Okay.
pull that foot up, hold tight.
Yep.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
hold tight. Wow.
Yep. Completely.
All right, let's get up, walk around. We're gonna
Okay.
put you to gravity.
Okay.
I want your body to unwind.
Okay.
It's like a rubber band around the finger, you know?
Okay.
One time just doesn't usually fix it. So let's have a seat now.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go back to retest.
Okay.
Always leave stronger than when you came in.
Yes.
Hold tight. Strong.
Mm-hmm.
Strong. But let's look down.
Okay.
I'm gonna have the arm back up. Is that strong? So look down, hold tight. Kick your feet out in front of you. All the way up, lift them way up. Yeah, that's staying strong. So we lift the feet and head tuck. We really can pull on the spinal cord and make sure we're getting it all hold tight. Yeah, that's strong. But I want to jump down to the hands because this one was really weak over here last time.
Yep.
So look down, hold tight. Feet out, hold tight. No, we're not done yet. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Still there.
Yep.
We're not finished.
Okay.
On your back.
Okay.
So bring it back in. There we go. Little breath. All the way out. You got a little one.
Yep.
Let's block C7, T1 there. We're going to take it one step
My hands have
further.
been so cold today. I'm so sorry.
I felt like the first time I'm like, oh, that's a little chilly.
I know, I'm sorry.
Maybe it'll feel good. I don't know. It feels fine.
Deep breath in.
Okay.
All the way out. There we go. All right, let's challenge it. All the way up. Let's see if that let go. Good
Okay.
posture. There we go. Lock it in. Look down. Hold tight. Stronger.
Mm-hmm.
It's trying. I like it.
Yep.
Okay, walk around for a second.
Okay.
Let's see what the body does for us. All right, back down again.
Okay.
All the way down.
All the way down. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna just double check. I'm gonna make sure this lumbar spine is doing what it's supposed to.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do my little muscle checks here. 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Holding.
Yeah.
From stressing, or from muscle testing, it's nice and strong. That's good and strong. Oh yeah, let's do this one. Nice and strong. Let's just do the feet real quick. Hold tight. Hold tight. I like it.
Yeah.
You run though or exercise pretty hard
I
though.
walk and I do weights.
Let this relax. I'm gonna just check these ankles.
Okay.
There's a little limb in here. Okay, let it relax there.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. There it went.
Yep.
Let me have this one.
Okay.
That's a little jam too. Let it roll. And there it went.
Yep.
Now you can run faster. Right all the way up. Alright, let's check here now. Bring it all the way up.
Okay.
I know we're strong. Okay, look down, get
Okay.
out in front. Oh, that's really staying strong. Let's jump to the triceps. I bounce around a lot, so look down, feet out in front, hold tight, and the triceps are holding. That's a nice change.
Mm-hmm.
Those were really weak,
They were.
and now they're not weak anymore. Okay, let's check the grip strength on this hand. I want to make sure because this was still weak. Hold tight. Look down, feet out in front, and it's not moving.
Okay.
That was good.
Yeah.
I
Felt
like
good.
it.
Feels good.
Everything feel better?
Feels so much better.
All right. Anything else you need to work on?
No, that was my biggest thing, but I didn't even know that the hip was
Yeah.
hurting.
Well, it's fine if you start digging.
Exactly.
All right, well,
Yeah.
that's it. It's time to go play.
All right.
All right, go play.
Thank you.